Here I am on my way to my next lesson, just minding my own business. I'm on the way to the M57 to go to my next job. And then I've got to deal with this.
Now you can make Sky TV your own. Start with the new Sky Entertainment Pack for £20 a month. Then do what I do. Add your own take.
Have 11 channels just for kids. £5 a month. Loads of fun.
Or you have the right to add over 400 box sets. The whole lot for just £5 a month.
Start with new Sky Entertainment. Then make it yours. Search Sky TV. £20 standard setup for new customers. Hit load at no cost. New 18-month min term. Requires compatible box and broadband. Terms apply.
Want a job where you could potentially earn over £40,000 a year and choose your own hours? Then enroll at the Chris Kelly Driving School Training Academy. And for a limited time, save a massive £1,000 of our spins. Earn the Chris Kelly way. Earn Chris Kelly pay. Join the winning Chris Kelly Driving School team. Call 625 3300. I didn't play with toys as a kid. I played with engines. Became a mechanic's apprentice at 16. Eventually, I wanted a new challenge, so I joined the Navy, and I took what I knew about cars and applied it to destroyers. I learned to fix anything, anywhere, in any situation, and now I help keep £1 billion of warship up and running at all costs. Me, Ravi, born in Stockport, made in the Royal Navy. Start your journey. Search Made in the Royal Navy.
I saw something I was not supposed to. They gave me a choice. Die or become a sparrow.
From the intensely gripping spy thriller Red Sparrow, this is what you were meant to do.
What is this guy's problem? Seriously, he can't get anywhere.
Make this man pay. Don't miss Red Sparrow and Sons IMAX this Thursday, certificate 15.
Wake up, what is morning? I want to turn it up.
Taxis, top price rates for the new drivers.
Let's go.
This, for me, sums it up. He finally gets past the learner car, gets himself into the left lane, and then proceeds to drive on the motorway at probably no more than 45 miles an hour. Seriously, he's being overtaken by all the lorries. I've kept the audio on throughout the clip so people can see there's nothing done to antagonise this idiot. I've got nothing against Chelsea handmade bedrooms in Liverpool. All I ask is this fella just calms down a little bit and drives professionally. Thanks for watching.